The Agra Fort, Qila of Agra, is a historical fort in the city of Agra, also known as Agra's Red Fort. Mughal Emperor Humayun was crowned at this fort in 1530. It was later renovated by the Mughal Emperor Akbar from 1565 and the present day structure was completed in 1573. It served as the main residence of the rulers of the Mughal dynasty until 1638, when the capital was shifted from Agra to Delhi. It was also known as Lal Killa or Killa Akbar. Before being captured by the British, the last Indian rules to have occupied it were the Marathas in 1983. The Agra Fort was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage